All right, so the last of these 4 videos is SE and TE. And so that is affirming now the virtue of achievement rather than denying it. So the types which are about this, you got the ESFP and the entj. This is what they very much share in what they are pushing forwards. So it is now affirming achievement rather than denying it. So that means a very different change in pace. Now it's no longer the slow, meticulous putting together of that sort of perfected, comfortable, elegant system. No. This is about going in there now and actually breaking up the system, because the system is old, it's out of date, it's all this unnecessary red tape that's just getting in the way of our restless, never-ending desire to improve and overcome any obstacle that comes in our way. And this is the point. ESFP and ENTJ are impatient. Can be very impatient. They want to move things forward at breakneck pace because they want to be ever improving and overcoming any obstacle with the knowledge they acquire. They want to take that knowledge and apply it. They don't want theory. They don't want things being kept just because it's elegant and it makes sense and all fits together. No. They're thinking, how can I use this? How can I apply this to achieve, to make more, to achieve independently from anything else? How can I get ahead in the world, and how is this information going to serve me in doing that? So these are more opportunistic in their approach. They are going to be taking that data and thinking, right, does it make sense or does it not make sense? How can I use this? How can I apply this? How can I move forwards? How can I achieve? So essentially, structures, red tape, any sort of system is often left, is often sort of broken as a result. They are trying to improve things. They're trying to make things work better. They have no patience for people being in their comfort zones and being used to things in a certain way, because the point is, it would work more effectively if you took in new data and you applied that and you used that to actually improve the circumstances you have. Why would you not want to work at as efficient a pace as possible to get as much done as you want to do? Because these types have little time for anything. They want to achieve and move on. They want to get things done. They don't want to. They don't care for people being precious about their structures in them moving forwards and getting things done. This is an achievement oriented. They affirm achievement, so they will go at it. They will they'll go full tilt at making things operate as efficiently as possible at breakneck pace. And yet, sure, if some mistakes are made, if some loose ends aren't tied up, who cares if loose ends aren't tied up? The point is, we've achieved something. We've actually made this thing work. We've got this off the ground. You weren't going to get it off the ground. You're still worrying about the T's being crossed and the I's being dotted because that looks ugly to you. Well, we don't care about what's ugly. We care about what works. It doesn't need to be beautiful. It just needs to get the job done so we can actually move forwards in our goals, in our achievements, in our strategies, whatever it is. So ESFP and ENTJ, very inclined to be that sort of breakneck pace, highly achieving, highly driven, highly ambitious in their personal achievement, and kind of impatient to get out actually doing it and getting it across and not pussyfooting around about it. So yeah, that's the idea for SE and TE. And yet, very sort of independent in that mindset as well. Very much about, I've acquired competence. Stop trying to control how I do things. I'm trying to do things in a way which is most effective, the way which actually leads to the most productive outcomes. I'm going to essentially, by achieving, enable myself to not be someone who can have my independence taken away by you. I have knowledge is power in that respect. I can protect my independence effectively by you not being there to take it away from me, because I've got the knowledge, I've got the resources, I've got the know-how, I've got all the things that are valuable in the world, so I can actually rise above someone trying to strip away my autonomy from me through my achievement. There is a sense of being able to, do this fast, get get that to a successful level before someone else is in a position to take it away from you. The sooner you are successful, the less likely someone's going to be able to do that to you. So very much that motivation in SE and TE together. So yeah,